Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most you're very welcome. So the entertainment world is mourning the loss of Connie Chiume, a celebrated actress whose talent and charisma captivated audience both locally and internationally. A statement shared on her official Instagram page today confirmed her passing at Garden City Hospital, leaving fans, colleagues, and loved ones in shock and sorrow. Mama Connie died at the age of 72, and she has been gracing our scenes with popular shows like Yizo Yizo, Zone 14, Rhythm City, and Gomorrah. I fell in love with her when she was acting Gomorrah. Not that I wasn't recognizing her when she was acting Rhythm City, but when she acted Gomorrah, I was like, this is top level acting. And then when she was also acting Black Panther, she represented us so well. I think we can all agree that she was a trailblazer in the South African entertainment industry, inspiring countless aspiring actors and actresses. We will never forget her influence in our lives. We will forever miss her. So her family also issued a statement saying the Chiume family regrets to inform you of the passing of the internationally acclaimed award-winning actress Connie Chiume. The family asked for privacy during this difficult period. The family will communicate further details. The cause of her death was not mentioned, but I think she wasn't sick for a long time because around April she received an award and she looked very healthy. That's it for today. May your soul rest in peace. And those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.